welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. We're gonna jump right into the tutorial. So this is the wig I got from Lucyhairwig. It's a synthetic wig with a frontal on it. The hairline is pre-plucked.
Let's get our gamble freak on!
Right now I'm just cutting the lace off. Now I take my Ben Nye powder and I just add it to my wig cap. Next I take my Got2b glue spray and I basically just spray it around the perimeter of my hairline. After that I take my blow dryer and I dry it down onto my scalp. After this, I just brush the hair out. And then I take my parting comb and I change the parting. It was pretty easy to change. I didn't have to hot comb it down or anything. And then I take my razor and I basically go in and make the parting a little bit more realistic. After that, I take my concealer and I add it to the part so it matches my skin tone. Then I take some baby powder and I add it to the hair so it's not as shiny and synthetic looking. Then I realized I kind of messed up the parting with my makeup, so I'm cleaning up the line. After this, I'm going to start to make the baby hairs, so I take my parting comb and I go around and find the thin hair. I clip it down first.
Let's get our gamble freak on!
Then go in with my razor and I make the hair thinner, and then I basically cut it down. After that, I take my edge control and I do the little swoops, you know. Then I go on the other side and do the same process. After that, I take my scarf and I just lay down the edges for 10 minutes or so. I'm really admiring myself, sorry. Then I take my scarf off. Look at that, flat, laid. Take my She Is Bomb hair wax and flatten it down, and that's pretty much everything.
So this is the finished product of the hair. I literally cannot even believe this is synthetic. It's beautiful. It's from Lucyhairwig. It's such a pretty color. It's super long. It was easy to lay. I didn't even need to use my hot comb. It lays pretty flat. I was able to make baby hairs and the frontal was already pre-plucked. So I only had to fix a little bit on the parting area, but not the actual hairline itself. When I say I'm literally in love with this look, I feel it's such a cute bright color. I feel like a mermaid, mint chocolate chip babe. I think it's definitely one of my favorite colors that I've done so far. I would say there's minimal shedding and minimal tangling. You just gotta keep a brush on deck as you would with any other synthetic hair, just in case it does get tangly. I put baby powder on it to have less shine on it, so it's like less synthetic looking. Oh my god. Okay, yes, my hands are ashy. Yes, my hands are ashy from baby powder, not because I'm an ashy girl. It's baby powder. This wig is less than $50. I don't remember the exact price, but I'm gonna put an exact link to the hair itself down below. So yeah, I think it's a perfect substitute, and synthetic hair is easy to maintain. That's pretty much everything for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you never miss the next time that I post. And make sure you follow all my social media down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!